How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today, we are going to be cooking up some party ribs. I've really enjoyed cooking up these party ribs lately. They're a lot quicker than cooking a whole rack of ribs. They're the perfect finger food for the big game coming up in a couple weeks, and they're even better for playoff football that's happening now. So I'm going to bring you in. We're going to get these prepped up. We're going to be cooking on the Traeger Ironwood 885 today, and these are going to be delicious. All right, so here is our rack of baby back ribs. The first thing we have to do is get the membrane off the back, and the easiest way to do it is just take a butter knife, get under it, twist it up, and start to release it from the meat. So we're just popping it as we go like that. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to get our finger underneath there like so, and then we're just going to lift up on the membrane just like that. A little bit left there, and there we go. There is our membrane off, and we are ready to slice these into our party ribs. All right, so now we're going to get these sliced up into individual ribs, and that is just going to look like this. Just like so. So I'm gonna get the rest of these sliced up. All right, so now that we have the ribs all sliced up individually, I'm gonna pop up my Drip Easy barbecue prep tub here to contain the seasoning as we season them. The first rub I'm going with here today is my honey chipotle. And the second rub I'm coming in with today is the SuckleBusters meat candy. All right, so I have all of the ribs transferred to this wire rack. This is how they're gonna be cooking today. Like I said, we're running on the Traeger Ironwood 885 at 275 degrees. We're gonna smoke these like this for 1 hour. We're gonna come out, we're gonna flip them, let them go for another hour, see how they're looking, get them wrapped up with all sorts of goodness. These are gonna be absolutely delicious. Let's get outside to the Traeger and get these on right now. All right, so we got the Traeger on and rocking at 275 degrees. We're gonna let these smoke for 1 hour. We'll come out, we'll give them a flip, let them go another hour. I'll bring you back when it's time to flip and show you just how good these are looking. We'll see you then. All right, so it has been 1 hour. We're gonna come out here and flip these and then let them go for another hour. You can see they're looking really good. We have some wonderful color here. So I'm gonna get these all flipped over. And there we go, beautiful color on those. We're gonna let these go another hour. We'll come out, we'll get them off the cooker, get them wrapped, see how they look, get them tender. I can't wait to show you guys the rest of this recipe. See you in an hour. All right guys, so our timer just went off. The party ribs have been on for 2 hours now. We're gonna deal with those in a minute. Before we do, I just want to take a minute to mention the sponsor of today's video, which is ZBiotics. It seems like these days, bourbon and barbecue go hand in hand, and it's always a great time when you're sitting out there having some adult beverages and cooking some delicious meat, and it's a great day. But now we're gonna make tomorrow just as great. Meet ZBiotics, the world's first genetically engineered probiotic. Invented by PhD scientists, ZBiotics is designed to tackle those rough mornings after drinking. Here's how it works. When you drink, alcohol gets converted into a toxic byproduct in your gut. It's not dehydration, it's this byproduct that is the real culprit for how you feel the next day. ZBiotics produces an enzyme that breaks down this byproduct so you can feel your best tomorrow. Just make ZBiotics your first drink of the night, drink responsibly, and wake up ready to take on the day. Click the link in the description to get 15% off your first order at checkout. Plus, ZBiotics offers a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, they'll refund your money, no questions asked. With ZBiotics, science-backed mornings start here. Like I said, make this your first drink of the evening and wake up tomorrow ready to cook again. Thank you, ZBiotics, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go deal with those ribs. All right, so it has been another hour, 2 hours total. You can see we have some fantastic color on these party ribs. We're gonna get them in the house, get them wrapped up with all this goodness, which I'm so excited to show you guys, and we'll get them back on and finish them off, so I'll meet you in the house. All right, so here are our ribs. You can see we have some great color right here. They look wonderful. We're gonna get them in this pan and get them wrapped up. All right, into this pan, we're gonna add some butter. All right, and then we're gonna come in with some SuckleBusters Peach BBQ sauce. This is just a good barbecue sauce. It's not overly peachy. It's not gonna taste like you're eating a peach. It just has a very mellow, sweet flavor that pairs really well with ribs. So we're doing Peachy Party Ribs today, folks, and these are gonna be absolutely amazing. So we'll just come in, and we're gonna get these wrapped up. All right, so now that we have these wrapped up, these are gonna go back on the Traeger Ironwood 885. I did bump it up to 300 degrees. So we're gonna get these on for about an hour, check them for tenderness. I anticipate them to be done by then. We're gonna have some 3-hour party ribs. So I'm gonna get these on right now. I'm not gonna bring you out there for that, but I will bring you back when it's time to check for tenderness. That way you know what to look for. So we'll see you in 1 hour. All right, so it has been another hour. We're gonna go ahead and check these for tenderness and check out the color on those. Man, they look amazing. And I'm just gonna come in here with a thermometer, and oh yeah, we are sitting at 203, 205. I mean, these are tender as can be. They look great. Now the only thing left to do is we're just gonna toss these in the sauce here a little bit just to get them nice and glazed up, just like that. I mean, check that out. Great color. Smells wonderful from that peach barbecue sauce. That is looking amazing. Now we're just gonna let this sauce tack up for about 5 minutes. When that's done, I'm gonna bring them in, and that is when I'll meet you guys. We'll try these, I can't wait. All right guys, so here is our Peachy Party Ribs. You can see these look absolutely amazing. Check out the color. They smell amazing. Just look at that. That is a beautiful party rib. I don't know who wouldn't wanna eat this, but we're gonna try it right now. All right guys, it is the moment of truth. We are gonna try these party ribs. Look how delicious they look. Just smells amazing, so let's just do it. Check that out. Nice, easy eating off the bone there. The flavor on these is off the hook. Nice little bit of sweet heat from my honey chipotle rub. Very good barbecue flavor from the meat candy, and the SuckleBusters Peach barbecue sauce is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, it does not taste overly whelming like peaches, just a good barbecue flavor on there. I'm going in for another. These are delicious. I don't know what else needs to be said. These are amazing. You got to make them. Like I said, we got playoff football. We got the big game coming up. There's plenty of excuses for you to make these, and I highly recommend giving these a try. They're amazing. You got all the flavor of the bark all the way around the rib. It's just super easy eating finger food. Say that 10 times fast. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.